In this video, we are going to make a yummy, popular street style or roadside quarantine kalan or mushroom masala. I'm Mano and you're watching Mano Cooks. Let's get started. It's a great evening snack for almost everyone during these lockdown days. I'm taking 3.5 cups of thinly chopped mushrooms. Now let's go ahead and add 3 by 4 cup maida or all purpose flour and half cup corn flour or cornstarch. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste or very smoothly crushed ginger and garlic can also be added. Add turmeric half teaspoon, red chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon and salt 1.5 teaspoon. Squeeze half a lemon. Add water little at a time and mix it until the veggie and the flour gets mixed well. Here I have used more than 1 cup of water. It should be binded well, not too thick, not too runny. A dropping consistency would be good. If you don't like the taste of mushroom, you can add half mushroom and half finely chopped cabbage. So add 1.5 cup thinly sliced mushroom and 2 cups of finely chopped cabbage. Now it's time for us to deep fry the mushroom mix. Heat a pan with oil in medium flame. When it is really hot, take a spoonful of mixture and drop it into the hot oil. Instead of deep fry, you can also do a shallow fry. Now slowly fry all of them until you see they are crisp and cooked well. Every batch should take more or less 5 minutes on medium flame. When they are little crispy, drain them in a paper towel and repeat the same with all the mix. This dish could be easily made with spices and masalas available at home. We do not need any fancy sauces for this. Trust me, its every bite has got spicy, crunchy, wet and little tangy medley of flavors. It's great treat for veg lovers and those who are missing non-veg during these lockdown days. Once all these small dumplings are fried, let's go ahead and break them into half and keep them aside. Make sure to quickly start the next step, otherwise, I'm sure you would get an empty bowl. Stay with me as we are getting into the main step right now. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoon oil. Add 1 cup of roughly chopped onion and saute them until they turn pink. Add salt according to your taste. Remember, already we have some salt in the dumplings as well. I have added 1 finely chopped green chili here. If you don't want, you can skip that. Add red chili powder, quarter teaspoon, and pav bhaji masala, 1 teaspoon. If you want, you can add a pinch of food red color. Now let's saute all the masalas and add the broken fried mushroom dumplings. Alternatively, if you don't have pav bhaji masala, please add 1 teaspoon garam masala and half teaspoon dry mango powder and quarter teaspoon red chili powder. Once the masalas and the dumplings are mixed well, add 2.5 cups of water and let's cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. Now we can see everything is blended well with the water and the water is totally absorbed by the dumplings and they start to become thick. Finish it off with coriander leaves and lemon juice. Turn off the flame. This quantity would serve 4. Take some in a plate, sprinkle roughly chopped onion on top and sit back and enjoy the feel of roadside snack right at your home and totally hygienic. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel right now. Thank you for watching.